time. It's this precious commodity that we all seem to want more of, yet we can't get enough of it. We can make more money in life, but we can never buy more time. And as the days and years go by, time seems to go faster as we age. Yet, so many of us are living lives that don't make us feel happy or fulfilled. Spending 8 or more hours a day working a job that you don't like. Scrolling through your social media feed for hours on end, comparing yourselves to other people. Procrastinating on the things that are only holding you back from living the life that you want to live. You see, we never seem to have enough time, but the things we do with our time make us feel like we need more of it because we're wasting the time that we do have. Find ways to increase your value and increase your worth so that you don't have to work for minimum wage, so that you can make more money based on the value you provide in the world. Most people make money by exchanging their time for money. And the key is to find ways to get your money to work for you so that you don't have to keep exchanging your time, because we cannot get more time. Oftentimes, people feel like they don't have enough time because they don't have a vision or a purpose in their life, or at least they don't know what it is. And when you get out of bed in the morning and you know what you're doing and you know where you're going and you have a vision for your life, you start to fill that with the smaller goals to help you get there. Many people don't have enough time because they don't have a plan of where they're going, and each day becomes a habit, just like the day before. When you wake up in the morning, I bet your routine is very similar to the day before. I bet the habits that you have, whether you check your Facebook or Instagram in the morning, are consistent on a daily basis. Schedule in the things that will help you. Waking up in the morning and expecting things to be different is just a false hope. In order to change, you've got to consciously make the effort and create new habits in your life. Give the space and time for the things that you want, and stop wasting your time on stuff that doesn't serve you. When you start to plan your day and the things that are happening in your life into some sort of schedule or something that works for you, what you'll notice is that it feels like you have more time. And some of the things that you thought would take a long time actually don't. Because oftentimes we get caught up so much in our head, and we have all of these ideas and thoughts and the things that we want to do, that it seems very scattered and all over the place. And I've been there myself, and it's still an ongoing process. So breaking things up into manageable chunks actually helps you make progress. And as Tony Robbins always says, progress equals happiness. So as long as you're making some small steps towards where you want to be each day, you're going to feel better about it, and you're going to feel like you're not wasting your time, and it's going to feel like you have more time.